Alright, looks like a pretty nice goddamn day today. I'm not upset. Not a breath of wind. Nobody really out here. There's one dude just pulled up in his car with a kayak. That's it. So, two options. Work mangroves south, work mangroves north. North is quite a paddle. So I'm thinking I'm going to try south of here. This whole thing is probably a fucking foot deep. So right now, I'm looking for anything tailing fish is what I would like to see right now. We're gonna head south. We're gonna work our way down this way, hit these groves down here, and see what we can come up with. But goddamn, this is a pretty spot. I mean, even if you don't catch anything here, holy shit, is this nice. So yeah, no complaints from me, that's for sure. God damn, and this whole thing, I'm telling you, it's maybe a foot deep, so that's pretty awesome too. This should be like redfish central, man. I can tell I'm dragging anchor a little bit, so I might pop the anchor up here too. Definitely got fish moving. They look like bait fish though. Wow, this is fucking dynamite, man. But yeah, it's gonna be a good paddle to get to where we need to go. So I'm just gonna put on the gas, and if I see something, I'll turn the GoPro back on. This wind is not bad at all, man. I'm used to battling wind right now, so. It was right up in here, that thing broke. It busted water. And like I said, it looked like it was fairly close in towards the dock. So I want to get just a touch closer, further up, so that by the time I'm set up and drifting, I'm casting into these holes. But I can kind of see what I think are potholes right now. Something right here. Right, baby. We just got ourselves a nice redfish on. Really nice fish. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is a good one. Hopefully I got the hook set on him. Took long enough. I saw some potholes in here. Oh yeah. Saw some potholes of sand in here. And it looked like some bait was working around. Is this a red? Or a jack? Could be a jack. Ooh. Could be a jack. There we go. Pull that line, boy. I'll take it. Whatever the hell it is, I'm happy. Took long enough to actually connect. That thing viciously grabbed the fly too. Like viciously grabbed it. I think it's a jack. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Made the whole trip, man. Right here. Whole trip made right here. Yes, sirree. Yeah, that's a nice jack. Fucker. Get over here. Wear him out. Oh yeah. Good boy. Thank you for playing. I might even have him. Is he foul hooked? He might be hooked in the top fin. I think he's hooked in the top fin. Wow. Well, get back over here, sir. No wonder he's fighting so good. That's bizarre. That is bizarre. And this might be a giant fucking pompano, dude. Holy shit, it's a giant fucking pompano that got hooked in the side. Oh my god, dude. Look at the... What the hell? I hope you all at home can see this. It's a fucking giant pompano, like way legal size, with a fly buried in its back. Wow. How did that happen? I want to know how this happened, but holy shit, that is awesome. Yes, yes, yes. And there he goes. Wow. All right. Pretty weird, but I'll take it. So that was pretty bizarre. Saw these potholes in the water. Saw some surface activity going on. I thought maybe it was bait fish. So I figured, I'll kind of creep up on it. In fact, there's some more right there, and I'm over in the potholes right now. So I threw the fly into there, and I saw something just flash, grab it, instantly hooked itself. I was like, oh, sweet, you know, and I made sure, like, I set the hook real hard. And it turns out it was a big pompano, and it must have turned on the fly, like pretty viciously turned on it. And then in doing that, whatchamacallit, I wound up foul hooking it right, I mean square in the right under the pec fin, so, or dorsal I should say. So pretty crazy, hell of a fight. Maybe should have kept him for dinner. That was definitely a keeper pompano. But yeah, very, very, very cool. Love it.